Before all this happened many years ago, I tried to do the best that I could to keep my teeth. Some things kind of got in the way. So I got to the point where I couldn't keep them anymore. My dentist and oral surgeon came up with a plan. Everything just went smooth. And I give this practice 100% because they were awesome. Not just one of them, but all of them as a team really came through for me.
From the minute you walk in the door until the procedure's done, it went very smoothly. Everybody was so very kind, and I can't say enough about this practice. It's wonderful, and it would be highly recommended by us.
When I walked into the practice, the people were so kind and worked tremendously with you. They knew exactly what they were doing, and just a wonderful, wonderful team.
You were very much informed every step of the way, from cost to exactly what they were going to do to how you would be feeling afterwards. They called the day after surgery. I can't say enough about this practice. They're wonderful.
No.
You are in the right hands.
Yes, definitely.
You are definitely in the right hands.
I'm feeling great. Before, my wife's like, why don't you smile? And why are you smiling now? I feel good about myself. Before, I felt like I didn't feel that great, trying to smile when teeth ain't looking good. But now I smile, I feel good about myself inside.